Hello, welcome to Retail-Outsource. My name is Seb, and today I'm going to talk about the error code 5665. So, if you're getting this error code, there are a few reasons behind it. The first one, if you are brand registered on Amazon already, and if you're using the same brand and still getting the error, then you have to look into the brand name, make sure that it matches exactly as what you have registered on brand registry. And secondly, if you are not a brand registered and if you're getting this error, then you have to get an exemption from Amazon. So for that, you have to contact the seller support. You can just select another listing issues and you can mention you are getting an error code 5665 and you want an exemption. But you have to submit some supporting documents. That's like the picture of that product that need to be high quality, and you have to include the brand name that need to be printed, not sticked on it. And on top of it, add a barcode as well, showing. So it will just make the process quite easy for Amazon associate. And if that error was during inventory upload, then you have to include the batch ID as well. So that's it. So once you have submit, if the documents are correct, they will approve, and you will able to list it straight away. I hope this video helps. We do post a lot of videos about Amazon and eBay. If that's something interests you, then please do subscribe. Thanks a lot for
And
watching.
remember, if you sell on eBay or Amazon and have a few questions, then you can also book a free 30-minute consultation from the link in the description below.